Now, factors that determine the market demand. Okay, so first is number of consumer. So here number of consumer means the total market demand. Okay, total market demand depends on the number of consumer in the market. The greater the number of the consumer, the greater will be the market demand. Second is population and its composition. So the here it means that the number of consumer again depend on the population of the country. Means as population increases, the number of consumer also increase. So demand for certain commodities also depend on the composition of population. For example, the demand for the baby food, the demand for the baby food depends on the number of the babies in the total population. The demands for the food grains in a country depend on the total population of any country. So as the total population increases, the demand for the food grains also increases, and vice versa. If population will decrease, demand will also decrease. Third one is advertisement expenditure. Okay, advertisement expenditure. So market's demand is also influenced by the advertisement expenditure incurred by the firms. So the greater the amount of the advertisement expenditure, the greater is likely to be the demand for that commodity. So because of advertisement also, demands has been created. Terms of credit and the rate of interest. So here also is depend on the terms of credit, what type of credit is given and what is the rate of interest in the market. So many durable consumer goods are purchased by taking loans. So the demand will also depend on the terms in which loans are obtained. Okay, and also on the rate of interest on such loans. So if the rate of interest will be less, then there can be more demand. If the rate of interest will be high, then there can be less demand. So now fifth one is introduction of new product. So if the new products are introduced in the market, it reduces the demand for old product. For example, when a new model of a car is introduced, the demand for the old model car decreases. So because of the introduction of new things, also demand for the old things goes down. Now distribution of income. So total market demand also depend on the distribution of income. Like different individuals have different marginal propensity to consume. Okay, so total demand may be affected even the total incomes remain the same. Means here distribution pattern of income. If the distribution pattern, because here demand of all the individuals are not same, neither their incomes are same to buy the same product. So also distribution of income also affect the demand of the market, demand of market. Okay, so here also distribution of income, because everyone has not same income to buy the goods or the commodity. If there is equality in the distribution of income, then there we can say the demand will be high.